Good morning. Today is Tuesday, May 12th. Let's take a look at our planner. Today in math, we are going to start quadrilaterals, part 1. So you'll be working on student book page 225 and 226. And you will notice in your math folder today that Mrs. Golanowski has recorded a great lesson and has some great videos for you to help you with both of those pages. In reading core today for Woods Runner, you read chapter 16 yesterday, so today you will be responding to chapter 16 and you will be uploading your response to the May 12th folder. We are on day 2 for James Fortin, and James Fortin is going to go into, we're not reading the story quite yet, but we're going to go into a vocabulary lesson on affixes, roots, and base words. There are 3 tasks that you will need to complete. There's a Google Doc Notes, there's a Nearpod, and there's a prefix plus puzzle piece. For the Google Doc Notes, it will ask you to log in. Don't be afraid, just log in using your normal username and password that you do for Schoology. Your writing real-time journal, continue to click here if you're still struggling with ideas, and that should give you some good ideas to help you move you along with your real-time journal. No new learning for social studies this week. In science, I went over directions yesterday in our meeting, but if you have any questions, please feel free to join me at 10:30 at my office hours, and I would be happy to answer any of your questions. We will not be presenting these until next week, starting next Monday. So you have all this week and the weekend to complete your Simple Machines project. You will not be uploading your Simple Machines project until next week. The only thing that you will be uploading is your template. So take a peek in this folder here, and all the directions are there for you. And Miss Pickens did an awesome job giving you directions for the Simple Machines project, so make sure you check out that video. The question of the day for Flipgrid is making up a would you rather. So make sure you make up your own would you rather and then click on other people's would you rathers and answer theirs, and you can even answer your own. Lastly, our face-to-face meetings, here we go. So join me in my office 10:30 to 11:30 for any type of question that I can answer. And then the small group students today will be Connor, Xavier, Cash, Jaden, Grace, Sig, and Presley. We'll see you at that live lesson at 1 o'clock for our small group math lesson. Have a great day.